What up, y'all? I just booked me a haircut appointment at 3:20. It's currently 10:29 in the morning. So I'm about to get ready to head out. And I'm going to be out. So I'm going to just wash my hair right now before I leave. I'm gonna let that sit in there all day.
I have a name.
You got a lot of stuff?
I got.
Man got laptops and everything.
Oh,
Yeah.
and it's $8 each?
Everything $8. So today is $8 day. Tomorrow is $7 day. Yeah, tomorrow is $7 day. And what they also do is they give you a ticket. When you first come, if you come at 7 o'clock in the morning, they give you a ticket, and then on the ticket you can get they raffle stuff off. They'll call your number. I think they did like 5. They do like 5. Five supervisors say, well, I'm going to make sure that you went in training the week that they went over there. And then if it's good, then I'm going to take it off. But you got to schedule for days off.
I made it to the thrift. I said, this place crowded. I've never been here to this location and they've been this crowded. What up, y'all? I'm headed to a different thrift store. The reason why I left that one is because I seen the guy. I thought it could have been the YouTuber who I started seeing going to these thrift stores, but it could be somebody that looked like him. But I seen the guy. He was on the aisle right behind me. and he was going through the rats for a little bit, and then he walked to the back of the store. So I finished the rat that, because I did the whole row of that where y'all seen me show one of the shirts at. So I did that whole row. By that time, he was just standing in the back of the store. So I was walking going to another aisle, but you can see down the aisle where he was on in the back of the store by like the random stuff. He was just standing there just looking into space back there. So I'm like, I wonder what he doing, because y'all know I had thought people was doing this before I actually seen proof that people was doing it. So I seen him back in the store just looking into space. Then I leave from going by the kid stuff, so I go back down and then look at like the jackets and stuff, like the long sleeve stuff. And I think that's the aisle that he was on when I first seen him. So by that time, I'm headed back to the jackets and stuff. I see him in the back of the store standing in the doorways talking to one of the workers. So I seen that and I just kept going straight by, and eventually he walked all the way back there. He didn't have nothing in his buggy at the time. It was just an empty buggy. So I'm looking through the shirts, and then I seen him talking to a lady, like going to the front register. So he walking up to the front register. I was on the phone with my mama Sita at the time, because I was telling her, I'm just watching all of this unfold. I'm talking to her while I see this. And he come from back there with like some vintage shirts folded up inside the buggy. And then he paid for them. I believe, because I tried to record him as I was walking back. So I believe I got him. But the whole time he seen me vlogging like the shirts and stuff, that's when he was on the aisle behind me. He was looking at me. So everywhere I walked, every time I seen him looking at me, because he was looking at me trying to see what I was doing with the camera. So I vlogged him that's why I cut the camera on when I was leaving, to show him up there paying for the stuff. But I was like, I already knew people was doing that, because even the person who I was watching do this stuff, I can go to the same exact stores as he go to, and they only give out the shirts, like put new stuff out there on Fridays, and you got to be there early in the morning, like I done showed y'all plenty of times. And that's the only time they put stuff out. Y'all even heard me ask the people multiple times, how often do they put new stuff out there, or do they put new stuff out there later on after the Friday, like say put new stuff out there again? Y'all heard her say no. So that means he working with somebody to get the stuff. So I was just like, certain ones I'm not about to waste my time and go through. Like the one I like, that one where I get all the jerseys, I don't think he go to that one. So I'm gonna go to certain ones. I ain't going to the ones that they go to, because they just get all the stuff from the back. So ain't no problem. I just like to see that, so I know, let me stay away from those stores, because I'm gonna just be wasting my time spending hours through the rats, and then they just giving it to them. So I'm gonna just go to the ones where I know for a fact they don't go to. But I knew for a fact they were giving them that stuff, and they were working with them. Yeah, I knew it, and I got to see it with my own 2 eyes today. I'm like, that's crazy. And the crazy thing is, I was on my way to that store, and I was on the phone with my daddy, and I was telling him on the way to that store that I believe that they be doing that stuff. And when I go in the store, I seen it with my own eyes. My car, that's the Wraith, all black too. I love being down here by all this wealth. I love it. This is a nice area too. I made it to Walmart because I needed something to eat, and I've been wanting to go home all day, but I can't go home because I gotta go get a haircut, and the haircut is like 40 minutes away from my house. So if I would have went home, as soon as I got home, I would have had to leave to go get a haircut. But now being that I'm close, I gotta wait the whole hour or two. Well, 2 hours I had to wait. I got 1 more hour left. Well, hour and 20 minutes I gotta wait. But I came to Charlie's to get something to eat because I'm hungry. I wanted to go to that Coney place. I wanted to go to Coney, but it's about to rain and I don't want to be standing out there. It's already drizzling even more. I need to go in. I need that umbrella. It's drizzling. Ugh. Thank you.
Thank you, and here's your delivery. Have a great day.
Thank you, you too. More food than I wanted. Cause she asked me that I want a regular or a large. I always get a small. I thought about it, so I paid more money than I should have because I got a regular instead of a small. Well, I'm about to eat. I'm hungry. I'm about to head out. I was like forcing myself to eat this because I ain't have a taste for this. I just was trying to find something quick before I go get my haircut. But I'm about to leave. I made it to Best Buy. I wonder what they doing with their parking lot. Nobody can park there. I had to park way back here and got to walk all the way over there. I don't mind walking. But it don't look like they fixing it or nothing. It just barricaded off. I figured this one wasn't gonna have no cameras. It's a smaller one. They ain't have nothing.
Yeah. Look, y'all. But they're like a drive-through thing. Yeah, the lightpark.com. It's like something like that we seen in San Antonio too, remember? That's something we don't need. Come to one side. One side.
Right.
Being stuck in the elevator.
First Sean got stuck in the elevator, then Chase. First Sean got stuck in the elevator.
We made it to the mall. My mama Sita wanted to come here so she can walk the baby out.
Yes, Operation Walk the Baby Out. We getting this baby out of here, one way or another.
And I'm looking for 21.
Yeah, that's a perk, but I ain't that. We ain't come here to. We ain't come here to shop.
We can just walk
We just
around.
walking.
We can just
Whatever.
walk around in February 21.
We
and
walking.
just look. Mom, we can Operation
Ain't got no control.
We got Operation Get the Baby Out. It ain't Operation Shop.
Operation
You ain't get the baby out. Operation Shop in progress as well.
And shop is a go.
I don't like when I get my hair cut. It always be feeling like stuff be getting in my eye. I be all pokey
Why you
and
don't
stuff.
wash your face?
I did with a napkin and it was wet and I used it. But say it be falling out my head.
There's something getting my nose right there.
You got hair on your nose? $1.
What you said, David?
I thought you said don't shop.
I ain't shopping. I just seen that this a cute little purse, but not for no $30.
Get
Come on.
it. We getting that from home.
Man, come on.
What you said?
Christmas list.
They just whispered to the
I
camera.
already know what he said. No.
Girl ball.
Motion.
Maybe.
Looks like a bird on the front of it.
It's $195.
I thought you said don't look. I thought you did. Just walk.
Think it's upstairs? Huh? Think it's upstairs?
Maybe.
Let's check upstairs. Look.
These stairs are wrong.
Oh wait, hold on. Cause wait, come here. Little creep right there.
Huh?
Creep right there.
Mom, can I taste something?
We came here before. Cause remember, I remember being right here.
What, that one?
Yeah, it's sweet, but then it got like a spicy, like
Yeah.
it's not bad though.
I like
It
that
says
one.
the product. Yeah, it's gonna be this one.
I like that one. Let me smell it again.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, this one smells good. This one smells good. That was that one?
This one's pretty much newer style, but
I ain't gonna put it in there though. That one smell. This smell good.
It do smell good.
it's not bad.
Right.
Smell it. Smell it.
It's not bad.
You gonna say the same thing I say?
It's like has a clean smell.
I like this one better.
You like that one better?
Yeah, I do like
This
that.
smell good.
This one.
This one.
Yeah, the first one.
This smell good. Ooh. This up there with yours, with you.
I like this one, but I like this one better, but that one's good.
I like this one.
But is that one good though?
This alright. This smell good.
It really does. Can I smell the get a whiff?
Like the Giorgio Armani, My Way.
Oh yeah, I like that one.
You like
yeah,
you're
I like that
smelling it, it won't
Also, let
spice.
I don't smell the spice. I just smell.
the spice like it's like a kick.
The first time.
Yeah, the first time I smelled
Very lightly spicy.
The spice, I smelled the
This smell good.
Daddy, the spice I smelled the first time, then I never smelled it again.
You don't smell it no more?
I do not.
I don't know.
Which one that?
My mama like this one, I know that.
I ain't
that's
feel-
alright.
This. This smells so good.
We smell so far.
You gotta get some of this one.
But they don't have to test it. She gave me a sample.
This smells good.
By Chanel.
I want to put it down, but this smells good. Yeah, she gotta get some of that. This smells good.
In my pocket. Put it in my pocket. Because I already got it. I actually don't smell it. This is gonna be my
Do
first.
not spray your hand. At the end. The end of it. Spray one.
Another sweet one.
The end of it.
Right here.
You better not drop that.
You want me to hold it? Hold it.
Hold
And
this.
you weren't even about to spread it out. You about to spread it on the side.
And also this one that you saw.
Now put it down.
No. It's sweet.
I smell that one, yeah.
This got a sweet smell to it.
I don't like that one.
I like that one.
This one is cool. It's like fresh.
Yeah, it do smell fresh.
It's not as sweeter as the.
Yeah, I like the
How are you doing today? Good. Looking for anything particular? No. I was looking just rosemary.
I'm just stuck on that one.
Thank you.
I'm just gonna
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Do you want me to help you with the samples? I cannot remember. Oh my god. Actually, this one is on sale. The regular price is $147. We're selling it for $120. Good price.
Oh, this was going.
We'll be back. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Y'all have a great night. Happy holidays.
Thank you. You stuck on that paradox. She gave me. My honey loving this Savage. So he got to get him another sample.
This smells
Oh, she is looking at us like that. This lady's just looking at us weird. Let me show y'all her. Y'all see her?
And we do have more of the Savage over here.
okay. Thank you.
And we do for a limited time have the kits 15% off. The ones that will be ending tomorrow. We have the ones from Eau de Toilette as well as the Eau de Toilette.
Okay. And how much is it?
It is normally $150. I believe it's currently $130.
I was gonna ask.
You want to go to?
I know, but I.
I said, where would this mess go?
What you said?
I put on my Christmas list this.
You said this?
Said this.
That's $400.
This? Yeah. It is $400.
Well, I knew it'd probably be on the wall.
$300. Look how much.
He put all these on his Christmas
It's
list.
like over $1,000.
over $1,000.
Oh, you broke the lens. Huh? I say you broke the lens.
Why didn't he put this on his list?
Where's the pieces?
Or is it just one?
This is over.
I'm gonna go vacuum clean that mat thing. Yeah. Yeah. Lyra.